Are you navigating a change or restructure in your department? Following feedback from our members, we've created a series of free-to-attend workshops to support you in navigating change. We've designed the Change Implementation Workshop and Community to provide a space for you and your peers to connect on the challenges that you're facing and to share and learn from each other. By coming along to one of our workshops, you'll gain new perspectives in enabling and empowering change. You'll also gain practical insights on responding to common challenges like workload management that you'll be able to apply immediately to the change you're working in and on. Together, we'll co-create practices to build resilience in and across your teams. Following the workshop, you'll be invited to continue your connections and collaboration through a facilitated online community. These workshops are exclusively open to individuals from our member institutions. They're designed for academic and professional services leaders involved with change implementation. You're invited to attend as an individual, in pairs, or groups from your organisation. We've got 4 workshop dates to choose from, scheduled at times accessible globally for all our members. These workshops are standalone, so you can select the date and time that suits you. In June 2025, you'll also be invited to attend a summative event where we'll share our learning from across all of our member benefits focused on governing and leading transformation through a holistic and people-centered approach. So don't wait, book now via our website.